So what's up guys? So morning adlaw nga naglaag mi nangadto mig panagsama for the purpose of interviewing those foreign people. So let's go. So mao ni nangita mig a fam nga willing ma-interview. Samtang nangita pa mi so nakalingaw sad mig laglaag tanaw sa dapat tanawon, you know na, nanginana. Yes. Hihi. Then kita na mig unang ma-interview, so paminaw na to ang ilang mga answers.
Yeah, it is. When did you come to? Why? In town? Yeah. Yeah, we are. We're like maybe 100 feet away.
Very close.
Yeah, pretty close. How do you like double chicken? You have the one more time?
Huh?
How do I like the beach?
Yeah, how do you like David in
A lot. I mean, you just saw me come out for the first time. Yeah, that was my first swim. So good. A lot of wildlife, a lot of stuff to see, like just right there. So
It's our first time on the beach here.
yeah,
So,
yeah.
first day on the beach.
Yeah.
What do you like the most about the
I will say so far, everyone has been so nice.
Yeah.
Everyone's been really
Everyone's really
kind.
nice.
We've only been here for like 2 days
Yeah.
so far, and everyone,
48 hours.
yeah, everyone we've met has been
Yeah. Yeah, really nice, really kind. Yeah, very good.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
United States.
Yeah, how different is the culture? I would say we're still trying to
Figure it out.
figure it out and see how different it is, and see what's different and what's the same. I don't know if we know yet.
Yeah. You know, we've a lot of stuff is the same though so far. I mean, everyone loves the beach, swimming, good food. Seems like walking around, people are having a good time. So I think we have that all in common.
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys definitely have better beaches.
Yeah.
How about this diving? You dive?
We are gonna dive, I think, in 2 days. We haven't dove yet, and so we'll see.
Yeah, she just got certified, licensed, a few months ago to go scuba diving. So she's excited to do that.
What is your favorite?
We have tried a little bit. I will say, don't remember the names of what we have tried yet. Favorite? We had
Yeah.
Like a rice porridge.
Arrows. What's that? No, it was.
I don't know what our favorite is.
Yeah, I don't know. Yeah.
We're open to recommendations.
Filipino taste.
What's that?
Filipino taste.
Or Filipino taste?
You like it?
Yeah, it tastes great. It's been good.
It's all been, bread,
Very nice. Cozy.
So far we like it. What should we? How about that? Yeah. Any recommendations?
What's the best food?
Any restaurant, Filipino restaurant, many taste Filipino.
Yeah.
And very parang sama Filipino food.
Okay. Is there anything that's like your favorite? yeah, like chicken or pork or yeah. I mean, we're still trying to get the names of certain dishes. So that's I feel like that will be kind of the biggest hurdle. You know, we'll just be going off of pictures. Like, yeah, we had that before. Try it.
Will we tell others? Absolutely. Yeah, definitely tell other people.
Yeah. Nice. Yeah?
Good job!
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, you guys are doing good. Keep on track.
Ug mao tilang answer guys ug how they like the Filipino foods and also the tourist spot. And now nanghunting na sad mi og lain. Ug so karon nakakita mi duha ka babae nga kutis porcelana. So din matabang puwerte man nilang gwapaha lisod ra i-video inani oy. So mo ni paminaon to nilang mga tubag.
In Mobile, yeah, they've only been here. This is our first day. We've already seen some curtains and done the sorry. Have you been eating What do you think is the How do you feel about the adventures? Right? That's what we're here for. We're traveling for 6 months around Asia. What?
Og gisunod ni namo ning isang patikan guys. Grabe kig tato niyo.
Probably the straight line. Yeah, we follow the left of the properties outside the shops.
What was the most interesting thing that you have learned while living in the Philippines or something like visiting in
Just how nice all the people are and the children are. They're really nice. Yeah.
Ug mao gyud ang answer guys. So proceed ta sa next one. Kaning sunod mo nindot ka interviewon kay Papa kay barog ba ni tas kayo. Wala lang na fit sa interview.
In the Philippines, have you tried it?
Have you tried?
What is the
Tastiest food have you tried? That you try?
Yeah, we do it with the bicycle. We start in Cebu and we go to.
Huh? Huh? No. Food. What is the tastiest food in the Philippines?
Have you tried? Tastiest food?
The food.
Oh yeah.
Food.
The bihon, I think. Bihon with chicken. That's
Have you tried it?
yeah.
Then
And
Next question. What was the most interesting thing that you have learned while living or visiting the Philippines?
Patience.
Visiting.
Yeah, you are so patient for.
Okay.
You wait, no stress. Oh, the traffic. It's nice.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Good.
Good.
So, kaning sunod namong na-interview guys, taga Netherlands siya. Sheesh, pagkagapa guys, sao na lang.
And where are you from?
I'm from the Netherlands.
Netherlands.
Yeah, Netherlands.
So here's the first question now.
Yeah.
How long have you been in this Philippines?
I arrived yesterday.
Yesterday.
One day.
Yeah. So then second one, what is that tastiest food in the Philippines have you tried?
What is that? Best.
Tastiest food you tried.
I only eat. I was today at 7-Eleven. And I eat like an onigiri, like the sushi.
Sushi.
Yeah, for breakfast because I was all day traveling. Yeah.
Then the last question, what was the most interesting thing that you have learned while living or visiting in Philippines?
The tuk-tuk.
What?
Tuk-tuk.
Wait, what?
The tuk-tuk. The cycle thing. The
Is that a
cycle.
place?
No, it's like motorcycles with the thing next to it.
Oh,
Tricycle.
what?
Tricycle.
It's not a name.
Oh,
I'm not familiar.
Tricycle.
I never heard about that.
Tuk-tuk says the driver.
Oh, okay, that's all now.
Okay.
Sa direng sitwasyon na guys, nabali naman sad. Ako naman sa gi-interview niya. So, dili po ta palupig. Nitubag ra po kog tarong kay first time man sad niya ning adlaw nga nakaanhi diri sa Panagsama.
And what's your favorite dish in Philippines?
Favorite dish? Adobo.
Adobo chicken.
No, yeah,
Chicken.
it's a chicken and also like a beef.
Okay. And do you live here in Momo?
Yeah,
You go to college here.
college here.
Huh?
In City Malboa.
Okay. And what's your favorite spot to eat?
Wait, what?
Favorite restaurant to eat in Momo?
Oh, favorite. I guess
Okay, putsa. Pinag putsa.
Jollibee.
Nice.
I guess.
Jollibee?
Yeah.
The fast food?
Yeah. So
Okay.
that's all.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.
Can we take a picture with you, ma'am?
Thank you. Yeah, that's okay.